Hello friends, welcome to my Technofunology YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you the buzz reviews, live demos and special bonuses, as well as explain about the bonuses given by Blueprint. This is my sales page and you can join this program by clicking on the red button here and get instant access to buzz and your bonuses. Go to the link given below in description of this video. Let's start. Now I am discuss about buzz. What is a buzz? Buzz is a cloud-based platform with our 5-month deep gone in development that help your customer unlock and access traffic from our 6 major traffic sources with 1.2 billion monthly active users and drive an unavalanche of traffic and grow real targeted fans. I am talking instant traffic automation from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Google, Business, Pinterest, Tumblr, Telegram, all on autopilot. What is a buzz all about? Your customer get fully automatic content curation for their social networks, keeping their handles and fan pages alive. And interesting is very important to attract real fans. Within a seconds, you will have fresh and relevant content that you can post to your blog or social media account. More organic reach means Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr will show your post to more and more people without you ever paying for ads. Buzz full benefits and features list. So I will discuss about the benefits of buzz. So first is 100% autopilot software set up to go in 2 minutes. Second is visual post planner, intuitive and easy to use. You can start scheduling post to all your social networks in minutes. Third features is in progress post viewers. Make use of the in progress viewer to check in all schedule and already published post. Fourth number, schedule and auto publish. In this features, auto publish all your scheduled post without having to manual approve. No notification required. And fifth feature is guaranteed 100% real targeted fans to your Facebook pages. And six is one click publish on Facebook page and groups. 7, one click publish on Twitter profiles and Twitter, one click publish on Telegram, YouTube, Pinterest and Tumblr. And 12 number is a schedule years worth of content on all these 6 top social media sites and content up to X account on FE and unlimited on Pro version. Change the features image in any post you create, all your own call to action, link to your offer pages and more. Set and forget system, create 100% plus social media pages or profile, set content to be published daily and watch traffic, lead and sales rolling. You click on this red button and you get instant access to buzz and your special bonuses. Now we discuss about price and upsells. So front end buzz FE $17 price increase by 0.01 every 60 minutes and upsell number 1 unlimited edition $39 and downsell is at $29. This upgrade lets your customer unlock additional buzz features and also lets them run unlimited campaigning. Upsell number 2, a buzz automated edition price is $39 but now downsell is $29. Upsell number 3, a buzz traffic done for you edition price is $197, downsell is $97. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customer. Upsell for a full license rights $39 and downsell is $34. Upsell number 5 done for you buzz money blogs price is $97 and downsell is $77. 30 pre-monetize done for you money making blog. Upsell number 6 OTO5 platinum edition price is $97 and downsell is a $77. Upsell number 7 reseller and agency rights $97 price and downsell is a $67. If you want to purchase Buzz, you click on this red button and get instant access to Buzz and your bonuses. The possibilities are endless when you have an abundance of traffic. Make affiliate sales, make high ticket commission, make e-commerce sales, build a giant email list, make CPA commission, sell your own product. What the demo video of Buzz, you click on this button, start demo video. You can easily learn how can work Buzz. We saw the live demo of this Buzz. First you log in Buzz by your email ID. This is a compose a new post. When you click on this button, it take you to a page to write and post to your social networking. And this is a accounts. Connect your social account. From this page you can connect your social network accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Schedules means view your schedule post. From this page you can view your schedules post, edit or delete them easily with our pretty calendar. And see report. Here you can see reports of how your post and scheduled post is doing. And draft post means you can see your drafted post here, publish, edit or delete them easily. And RSS feed, connect your RSS feed to our system and auto post to your selected social network account in a few steps. And caption means save your reusable caption or text and use it in your post without cracking your brain every time. And manage photos and video, upload your videos and photos here. You can also import your file from Google Drive, Dropbox. And from Buzz, group your account means you can also group your social account for easy posting. And switch language, you can change to your own language from here. We support multiple language. And this is your account menu. You can see your setting, change your password, and select videos and photo. Here you can select from your update photo, video also you can upload or import from here. And here you select your connect account by clicking the button on the right. And this button post preview, as you are selecting photos, writing text, you can see the preview here. And publish your post. After creating your content, you can choose to publish your post or send it to draft. Congratulations, you have completed the step. Now I am discussing about the bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a lead generation or authority gold upgrade. Worth is a $47. In this bonuses, you getting qualified leads that are sales ready is one of the topmost concern for the majority of the market today. If this is overlooked, then it can be quite fatal for your growth prospect. Fortunately, I have these packages that will intensify your lead generation process and enable you to dive into the countless lead to boost your profit. And bonus number 2, email profit formula worth $79. I am providing this excellent package that enables you to make the best use of email marketing and reach out to widely scattered masses without investing a fortune. So get in active mode and use this bonus to intensify your growth prospects and become an inevitable success story. And you click on this red button and you get instant access to Buzz and your bonuses. I will discuss about the bonus number 3, website pouch pro. Easily hide any content or banners within your website with just a one easy click. Bonus number 4, article analyzer worth $47. In this bonuses I will discuss about. This is a cool packaging, help you analyze article for keyword density so that you can get more targeted search engine traffic for your website and increase your benefit without spending a fortune. In addition, you can either open an existing article or write a copy paste article in the article analyzer interface. Bonus number 5 is a keyword research ninja 2.0, worth is $47. Keyword play a very important role in matching your website content with what your targeted viewers are looking, and hence help in ranking your website higher in search engine. Keeping this in mind, check out this product where you will get an amazing tool that escalated and the filter profitable keyword terms on the internet. Unlike most keyword tool which just rely on Google, this one actually provide you with awesome keyword data from 6 sources: Google, Bing, Yahoo, eBay, YouTube and Amazon. You click on this red button, you get instant access to Buzz and your bonuses. Bonus number 6, affiliate marketing thrives, worth is $237. Affiliate marketing is the most effective way to make money online by promoting product created and marketed by other vendors. Keeping this in mind, here an exciting package that include 6-part video course that help to become a successful affiliate and stand out from the competition. You will also learn an importance of building a list and how to find product to promote the maximize benefit. And bonus number 7 is WP Video Focus. WP Video Focus is a plugin that allows you to clip your video and serves as a widget to any corner on your page. This allows your video to visible continue playing when a user scrolls down a page, so that are still able to see the video and not only hear it. This will help to keep your viewers engaged throughout your entire video while they are exploring the content on other parts of your page, so you will never lose the engagement and attention of your viewers, then often result in loss of lead and sales. The plugin will also allow you to position your videos anyway you want and customize it to make it relevant with your website web page design. You click on this red button, you get instant access to Buzz and your bonuses. Now you start buzzing today in only 3 steps. Enter the link you want traffic sent, active and watch. Why you are going to love Buzz? But because perfect for everyone. Profit with multiple networks, runs autopilot, consistent traffic, no extra expenses involved, nothing to install, no WordPress theme or plugin configuration needed, profit on any device, no monthly fees, work in any country. And try Buzz for 180 days and get your money back if you don't like it. Click the button below. Now I am discuss about vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1, reseller right to VD Genie, value of $697. And bonus number 2 is free download to over 8,000 FB advertising group, you can sell to. And bonus number 3 is a social media income pack. And bonus number 4 is affiliate marketing profit kit solve. The following common yet fatal problems hounding both newbie and veteran affiliate marketers. And bonus number 5 is a profitable done for you courses, worth is $1997. And bonus number 6 is awarding winning page Nova page builder. And bonus number 7 is a software that turn any image to clickable image, post on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Here a quick recap of what you are getting here. Quality content generator, $597 values. Auto Facebook traffic generator, $797 value. Auto YouTube traffic generator, $697. Auto Twitter traffic generator, $497. And auto Instagram traffic generator, $697. Auto Pinterest traffic generator, $497. LinkedIn traffic generator, $497. Tumblr traffic generator, $497. And Telegram traffic generator is a price $497. Step by step training $197. And world class support is priceless. The total real world value is a $5,519. You pay just a teeny one time investment. Regular price is $97, but you buy today, you get it only $17. Click on the red button so you get instant access to Buzz and your bonus. I give you link in description below this video. Thanks for taking the time to check my review and bonuses to your success. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe my YouTube channel.